Hey there, readers! Welcome to the library, our digital library. Specifically, this tutorial is for how middle school readers can access our digital books. What you're going to do first is go to our middle school library page. That's lhps.libguides.com/middle. You can also access this page by going to our Lake Highland website and to class link and finding it there. Now, once you're here, you have access to tons and tons of wonderful, amazing resources for reading and for research and more. But today we're going to be talking about Overdrive. Overdrive is where you can find lots and lots of amazing digital copies of books and audiobooks. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Click Overdrive. 2. Type in the book you're looking for. 3. Download the book. Now, sometimes these books will have audiobook versions in addition to the written digital versions of these books. Not all will. If there's a book that you're really interested in and you don't see it here, just contact Cindy Ray or me, Megan Blakely, over at the middle school library, and we would be happy to hear what you have to say about our collection. Now, if you're looking for a specific book, this is what you're going to do. But maybe you're just kind of here to browse. You can do that the same way you would with a regular library, except there's already these amazing different categories and sections and different genres that you can explore right here on the Overdrive homepage. So scroll down, check it out. There's so much to read and to listen to. And you'll know it's something that you can listen to if you see up in that right-hand corner the little headphones. All right, readers, can't wait to see what you guys keep reading. Bye.